You're listening to Fluent Listening, English made simple through real-life stories. In episode 17, talking about family, Emily and Nathan share information about their families and practice easy family words like mother, father, brother, sister, aunt, uncle, and cousin. They talk about who is in their family, what people do, ages, and simple personality descriptions using slow and clear English. This episode is perfect for learning how to introduce your family and answer basic questions about them. Let's listen in.
Nathan, do you miss your family sometimes?
Yes, I do. I think about them a lot. What about you?
Me too. My family is in another city, so I don't see them very often.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people in my close family: my mother, my father, my brother, and me.
Nice. Tell me a bit about them.
Sure. What about you? Do you have a big family or a small family?
I have a medium-sized family, I think. So tell me about your parents.
My mother's name is Sarah. She is 52 years old and she's a nurse.
She must be very caring.
Yes, she is very kind and patient. My father's name is David. He is 55 and he works as a mechanic.
Does he like his job?
Yes, he does. He likes fixing cars and helping people.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have one younger brother. His name is Tom. He's 20.
Is he a student?
Yes, he studies at university. He's very funny and a bit lazy sometimes.
You sound close to your family.
Yes, we are close. We often call each other on video. What about your family, Nathan?
In my close family, there are 5 people. My parents, my 2 sisters, and me.
Wow, 2 sisters. Older or younger?
I have 1 older sister and 1 younger sister, so I'm in the middle.
What are their names?
My older sister is Lisa. She's 32 and she's a teacher. My younger sister is Anna. She's 24 and works in a cafe.
Do you see them often?
Not very often, but we message almost every day.
And your parents?
My mom is called Helen. She works in an office. My dad, Mark, is a driver. He drives a delivery van.
Do they live in London too?
No, they live in a town about 2 hours away. I visit them a few times a year.
Do you have a big extended family? Like grandparents, aunts, and uncles?
Yes, I do. I have 2 grandmothers and 1 grandfather still alive.
That's lovely.
We also have many cousins. My mom has 2 sisters, so I have a lot of cousins on her side.
I have some cousins too, but not many.
Do you see your grandparents often?
Not very often now, but when I was a child, I visited them every weekend.
What are they like?
My grandmother is very friendly and loves to cook. My grandfather is quiet but very funny when he tells stories.
Sounds like a warm family.
Yes, family meetings are always noisy and fun.
How would you describe your family in 3 words?
Kind, noisy, and supportive.
Nice. I think my family is funny, loud, and close.
What does your family like to do together?
We like to have big dinners, play games, and watch movies.
My family likes to go for walks and have barbecues in the summer.
Do your parents worry about you living in London?
Yes, a little, but they are happy that I'm learning and growing.
Same for me. My parents are proud, but sometimes they say, "Don't forget to call us."
My mom says exactly the same.
So our families are different, but also similar in some ways.
Yes, you have 2 sisters, I have 1 brother, but both our families are close and noisy.
And we both talk to them a lot, even if they live far away.
Talking about family makes me feel a little homesick, but also happy.
Me too. It's nice to share family stories.
And now I know more family words in English.
Exactly. Next time you meet someone new, you can introduce your family in English.
Yes, I'll say, there are 4 people in my family.
Perfect start.
Thank you for listening to Fluent Listening, episode 17, talking about family. In this episode, Emily and Nathan used easy family vocabulary to describe parents, brothers and sisters, grandparents, aunts, uncles, and cousins. Let's review some useful family phrases. There are 4 people in my family. A clear way to start talking about family. My mother's name is introducing a family member. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Asking about siblings. We are very close. Saying you have a good relationship. We often have big family dinners. Talking about family activities. I don't see them very often, but we message a lot. Talking about distance and contact. These phrases are perfect for small talk, introductions, and sharing simple information about your family in English. Stay with us on Fluent Listening as we continue exploring everyday English in real conversations. See you in the next episode.